Hi there, you might be asking yourself, what am I doing here and why am I looking at you? I'm going to talk about fancy systems, server software, brand new technologies, a bunch of DevOps principles, and a lot more. Let's dive into who I am and what I can bring to the channel. My name is Jeffrey and I'm living in Belgium. I've educated myself in the wide roles of system administration and DevOps, through school, learning a lot on my own, and through professional experience. My main job is to troubleshoot and optimize customer environments from servers to firewalling. On this channel I'm going to talk about my main focus, which is Linux, and everything on this channel you see here will be based on that. I'm also going to talk about load balancing, caching content, setting up and optimizing web servers, containers, Kubernetes, automating tasks through Ansible and scripting languages such as Bash, CDN solutions, Web Application Firewalls, and of course a hot topic like the public cloud, for instance AWS. So everything I talked about is what you're going to see here on this channel. I'm going to go from tutorials, opinions, best practices, or just anything tech related. All tutorials will be made in a format that everyone can follow along and at least understand them, and that you can just do it yourself while looking at the videos as well. So now we know who I am and what I'm going to talk about. So just get on to the great content and some videos you will see here. Let me know what I can improve. I'm always open for feedback and any opinions as well. So go to your video and I hope you enjoy the content.